One of the biggest mistakes professionals make today is asking the wrong question about AI. They ask, will AI replace cybersecurity jobs? The better question is, how can AI accelerate my career in cybersecurity? Because AI is not removing the need for cybersecurity professionals. It is raising the bar for what looks like the most valuable cybersecurity professional. In the past, career development in cybersecurity focused heavily on acquiring technical skills, learning different tools, running scans, analyzing log, configuring systems. Those skills still matter, but AI is rapidly automating many of these operational tasks, which means your competitive advantage must evolve. The professional who will grow fastest in the next few years are not the ones competing with AI. They're the ones working alongside it. AI should become your learning accelerator, your analysis partner, and your strategic assistant. The first way to infuse AI into your career development is learning acceleration. Instead of passively consuming content, you can use AI to simulate real-world scenario. You can ask it to break down complex frameworks like NIST or ISO controls. You can simulate incident response situation. You can even role-play technical interview. What once took weeks to understand can now take a few hours. The second way is analytical leverage. Cybersecurity professionals constantly deal with large volume of information, threat reports, risk assessment, documentation of compliance. All of this can be summarized with the help of AI. It can highlight anomalies and structure complex information. This doesn't replace your judgment, it enhances your ability to see the bigger picture faster. The third way is career positioning. AI can help refine how you communicate your expertise. It can help you structure your portfolio artifact, refine your resume, and articulate your value clearly. Because in cybersecurity, technical capacity alone is not enough. You must be able to translate complexity into clarity. But here's an important distinction. AI gives you speed. It does not give you judgment. Judgment is developed through experience, structured thinking, and often mentorship. Because knowing how to use AI effectively is not just about prompts. It is about understanding what question to ask and how to interpret the answers. In the coming years, the cybersecurity professionals who thrive will not be the ones with the most tools. They'll be the ones who combine technical expertise, strategic thinking, and AI leverage. AI will amplify what you already are. If you are disciplined and curious, it will accelerate you. If you are passive, it will expose that gap. So, the real opportunity is not simply learning cybersecurity, it is learning how to develop yourself faster than the market evolve. And AI, used intentionally, can become one of the most powerful tools in your career development, not as a replacement, but as an multiplier. Are you competing with AI, or are you learning how to leverage it to accelerate your cybersecurity career? Subscribe, like, and share this video. Cheers.